I normally don't talk about it in the Six Sigma classes, but let's talk a bit about logistic regression. Because let's think about this, all right? So what I've got here is I got basically a chessboard. I start off with 1 penny, and every 10 days, it doubles. So 10 days after I double it, it doubles again. 10 days later, it doubles again. I keep on going. So when I get to the end, it's 128 pennies. So I come down here and I double it. I'm just going to keep following that pattern all the way through. And by the way, the formula for this is 2 to the nth. So what I want to know is how much am I going to get after the 640 days, right? So let's take a look at this. And by the way, you're only going to see part of the board because I had to blow it up to get all the numbers to fit. So this is our first day, 10 days later, 10 days later, 10 days after that, and more, and keep on going. So there's our 128, our 256. By the time I get done with 160 days, I'm up to 32,768 pennies, right? So let's just keep following that pattern. Okay, after 240 days, after 320 days, after 400 days, after 480, 560. And so after 640 days, this is what I get. I can't even say that number. What, there's hundreds, thousands, millions, trillions, quadrillions, and whatever that is. I can't even say it. I don't know. That's how many pennies we would have after 640 days, right? Quite a bit. Now, why did I come up with that every 10 days thing? If you look at the coronavirus data, it's following. Every 10 days, it's doubling, right? So instead of pennies, substitute coronavirus in here. There's 7.8 billion people in the world. If it goes unchecked, you can expect somewhere, what is that? That's 4 times 30. So right around the 330th day, pretty much everybody in the world should have this if it was unchecked. And if you looked at the previous videos, that's why it's so important to get that point of inflection and also know where the